Basically, I am going to making a automation, and I am getting error in this my particular screen. Look at it here. Okay, it's showing some authorization failed. Please check your credential item. Okay, this is the error. Please solve it.
I see the error now. It says authorization failed. Please check your credentials. It also indicates an invalid access token. It looks like you're trying to connect to LinkedIn using an API request. Have you already verified that you are using the correct credentials for the LinkedIn API?
So I will show you the correct credential. Okay, and you can say that I have done it. Here is the API. Like method is the post. Okay, URL and URL from LinkedIn here, and here I am pasting my code.
Thanks for showing me that. It looks like you have a POST request set up using the LinkedIn API, and you're sending a JSON body, and it's showing that you have the correct URL for the API endpoint. I
Yes.
also see the error.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so you've confirmed that the URL and the method are correct. Could you show me the authentication method that you are using?
Okay, it's for LinkedIn.
Okay, I see that the authentication method is set to none. To fix the authorization failed error, you'll need to select the appropriate authentication method and provide the correct credentials. Would you like me to provide you with the different authentication methods available for the LinkedIn API?
Okay, I selected predefined credential. Active campaign
All right, it
API.
seems that you've...
So which one should I use?
Okay, based on what you were showing me, I can see a drop-down menu where you can select the credential type, and there are several options. Since you are trying to use the LinkedIn API, you would need to select the correct...
Uh, can you suggest me anyone? Any of them? Hello, can you suggest me any of them? Hello.
Hello, I see that you're back on the Google AI Studio page.
Yes,
Do you have any more questions?
I am back.
Okay,
And please you suggest me the which one I
okay,
should choose.
okay, I can help you with that. Since you're using the LinkedIn API, you will need to pick an option that supports LinkedIn authentication. I see that you have options such as Action Network API, Active Campaign API, and so on. I would recommend selecting the option that specifies LinkedIn. Unfortunately, I don't see that as one of the options you have in the dropdown, but I can suggest you pick Airtable Personal Access Token API since it would be a good way to provide your own access token. Does that sound like a good
Give me a
approach?
fast suggestion. I can't wait up to that much.
Okay, I see. It looks like you've chosen the Acuity Scheduling OAuth 2 API. If you're not trying to connect to Acuity Scheduling, you'll want to choose a different
I
option that
chose
will let
it.
you connect to the link.
Create new
Okay,
credential. Connect my account. Okay, so I just want to uh, show you guys that what is going on in AI, and this is the new Google AI Studio which you can use, and you can make your own product. You can share your entire screen, and it will help you on like what you handling on your screen. Like I was working on n8n AI agent creator. You should also learn that. Okay, so this is the Google AI Studio, very amazing tool. Just learn it and work out with this tool. Okay guys, very nice tool. और n8n के लिए I will upload a new video. Thank you.